Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money by creating advertisements. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about how you can make money by creating advertisements. Now, what do I mean by you creating advertisements? If you've been on Twitter, Facebook, or even here on YouTube, you see a lot of sponsored ads or promotions by individuals or brands on the platform. And if you're somebody who has the knowledge already or is willing to learn the requirements for these ads, you have potential to be able to make money by creating ads for somebody else, whether it is an individual or a business. You can do stuff like this by offering it on your own website, on your social media, Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Twitter, Twitch, Pinterest, Instagram, you name it. You can literally post it just about everywhere to let people know that you can create ads for them. Now, what do I mean by creating ads for them? Well, here's an example. And then here, how about this? Here's another example of a different way you can do an advertisement within just pictures. Now, these are just some ways that you can create advertisements. Now, of course, as I said, there are some guidelines that go into creating ads for the various different platforms like YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and so on. And if you know what these requirements are for the ads, you can make some money because not everybody wants to learn all the different terms of service when it comes to each different platform. And if you know the terms of service on Facebook, you can create Facebook ads. If you're on Twitter, you can create Twitter ads. Same thing with Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. Each of these different platforms have their own stipulations on what can and cannot be done within an ad. And if you know what you're doing, you can create ads for a fee for individuals as well as businesses. And you can offer this service on not only your social media, but on freelancing sites like Fiverr, Rev, Upwork, and so on. There are plenty of opportunities out there for you to market your skills in creating ads. So I hope you found today's video helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to know more about this, you can check out my blog on consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where I cover this and many other different topics for you to be able to make money from home and online. And hey, while you're at it, if you're interested, you can buy my book, Income Booster, 100 plus businesses you could start from home and ditch the 9-to-5. Links in the description. So I hope you found today's video helpful. Hope to see you back here in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. And we'll catch you in the next one.